Since you have become Hushar Bacha by doing this warm-up exercise of these tricks, now your brain will be strong enough to plot the number line. 2 by 3. Sir, I know one thing. 2 by 3 matlab answer will be between 0 and 1. Do you agree? Sir, answer will be between 0 and 1. Do you agree with this? Yes or no? Answer will be between 0 and 1. Do you agree with this? Yes or no? Yes. Then just see. Answer is between 2 and 3. So I will plot a number line. In this, I will make 3 parts. Please listen carefully to my words. I will make 3 parts. I will write 0. I will not write 1. I will write here 1 by 3. I will write here 2 by 3. I will write here 1. I will write here minus 1 by 3. I will write here minus 2 by 3. And then I will write minus 1. बोल, तुझे समझा मैंने कैसे किया? I just did टुकड़ा. I just did टुकड़ा. टुकड़ा मतलब ब्रांच. Further splitting. I just did further splitting. तो 0 से -1 नहीं गया. 0 से 1 भी नहीं गया. I just did splitting up of the things. Okay. I think so. What will come here? You will understand now. 1 to 1. इधर क्या आएगा? इधर क्या आएगा? इधर क्या आएगा? See, you know 3 का टेबल. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 मतलब क्या? 1 मतलब 3 by 3. तो नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? तो कॉमन सेंस यूज कर. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3 बोले तो 1. 3 by 3. नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? You use brain now. नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा? You use brain now. Come on. Use brain. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. आगे क्या आएगा? 4 by 3. बहुत अच्छे. आगे आएगा 4 by 3. आगे आएगा 5 by 3. आगे क्या आएगा? आगे क्या आएगा? कम ऑन. आगे क्या आएगा? आई एम टेस्टिंग यू नाउ. आगे क्या आएगा? 6 by 3. 6 by 3 कितना होता है? 6 by 3 कितना होता है? 6 by 3 कितना होता है रे? 2. 6 by 3 2 होता है. ओके, सो 2 लिख देना. अब समझा? अब तुझे समझा कैसे करना है? क्या तुझे समझा इधर और इधर कैसे जाना है? तुझे समझा नहीं समझा? Anybody would like to ask doubt? बस, that's all. Now they told plot of the number line. I just showed on the number line what? I just showed on the number line. I just circle it 2 by 3. I showed it. Sir, shown. हो गया. कुछ नहीं. हो गया. इतना ही है. हो गया. इतना ही है. नंबर लाइन पे दिखा. मैंने नंबर लाइन पे दिखा दिया. और कुछ नहीं. Is it easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult now? You tell me. हो गया सर. और कुछ भी नहीं है. That's it. Now I shall rub. May I rub the board and may I go with the second one? May I rub the board and may I go with the second one now? हाँ या ना तो बोल. हाँ या ना तो बोल. Any doubt? चलो, I'll just wait for 1 minute for kids to ask me anything they want to ask. I'll just wait for 1 minute for kids to ask me if they want. Sir, if we want to plot a bigger number, very good question. See, someone is asking me. Thank you so much for asking me the question. Thank you. Sir, if you want to plot bigger number, then what to do? Don't worry. Teacher will not give only. Ha 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 ha. Teacher will not give the number only. Such big numbers. Then why you worry? There is nothing to worry. Okay? जान दे आगे. मामा, जान दे आगे. हाँ या ना तो बोल. Clear? Okay. चलो. Now I will increase the level. Let me increase the level. Ha ha ha. Here it will be 8 by 5. Now you tell me how to do. 8 by 5. How to do? See, I will help you. I will help you. Whenever numbers become थोड़ा सा बड़ा, you have to listen to me carefully. I repeat. ध्यान से सुनेगा पक्का होता है. देख, ध्यान भटका दुर्घटना घटा. नहीं, वो नहीं थे. वो क्या था? वो होर्डिंग डालते हैं ना, वो होर्डिंग डालते हैं, मैं और भूल गया, हाईवे पे, याद नहीं आ रहा है। Anybody remember that hoardings on highways? I am not able to recall. What is that highway? नजर हटी, अरे रे रे, एकदम बराबर बोला बच्ची, एक क्या जिसका नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी, सेम सेम, ध्यान भटका इधर दुर्घटना घटा हमारा, हाँ, नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी, एकदम बराबर, थैंक यू। सो 8/5 को लिसन केयरफुली नाउ, 8/5 को whenever numbers are bigger, थोड़ा सा बिगर, एकदम बड़ा नंबर दे विल नॉट गिव, डोंट वरी, थोड़ा सा बड़ा 8/5 को यू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन फ्रॉम मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, दिस इज इम्प्रॉपर, कन्वर्ट दैट इम्प्रॉपर टू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन। डू यू नो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इम्प्रॉपर टू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन? बचपन में किया है, नहीं किया है? बचपन में किया है, नहीं किया? किया है, बच्चा बोल रहा है किया है, ग्रेट। तो 8/5 can be written as 1/3/5. Do you agree? 1/3/5 is correct. Do you agree? 1/3/5 is correct. Done. Correct है sir. Now you know that एकदम perfect. 8/5 is 1/3/5. Now you know that it is 1 के बाद 3/5. So please listen. Please listen. 3/5 यानी there will be 5 parts. See the denominator. कितने parts रहेंगे? 5 parts. You start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1. This will be 1/5. This will be 2/5. This will be 3/5. This will be 4/5. Correct na? Like this way we have to go on. So how many divisions you will do? I am repeating once again here. Just see. I will start from this side. Don't worry. I am explaining everything once again. 0. See, 0 के बाद 1. But how many parts you should have बीच में? बीच में make 4 parts. पहला पार्ट, दूसरा पार्ट, तीसरा पार्ट, चौथा पार्ट, पांचवा पार्ट. Then again you make 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4th part and 2. You should make 5 parts. Why you should make 5 parts? Why you should make 5 parts? Because denominator is 5. So do you have answer between 0 to 1 के रेंज में? Do you have your answer between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2? Answer is between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2? Answer is between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2? Sir, 1 to 2. Answer is between 1 to 2. Correct. Why? Because यहाँ पे 1 आया है, यहाँ पे 1 आया है. अभी 1 से कौन सा पार्ट? 1 से which part you want? 1 से you want third part. 1 से you want third part. 1, 2, 3. So this is 8/5. You understood? 1 से you want third part. 1 से you want third part. 1 से you want पहला पार्ट, दूसरा पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. Did you understand? Did you understand now? 1 say you want third part. Did you understand this? See, one more I would have given. I will give one more. If I would have not asked this, 1 say third part, I would have asked 4/5. Then where would you plot? You tell me. Where would you plot? 4/5. Where would you plot? Sir, 0 to 1 के बीच में. 0 to 1 के बीच में. Which part but? 0 to 1 के बीच में. Because you know decimal 4/5 I just taught you trick. 0.8 it is. मतलब fourth part 0 to 1 के बीच में. 0 to 1 के बीच में 0.8 you got. 0.8 मतलब पहला पार्ट, दूसरा पार्ट, तीसरा पार्ट, चौथा पार्ट, 4/5. Are you able to understand now? This is why do you feel now trick was helpful? Do you feel now that trick was helpful to make you understand this? Otherwise, without explaining those tricks, this would be difficult to understand. That is why that was the only purpose to teach you tricks of tables. See, we will do one more warm up. We will do one more warm up. Okay? We will do one more warm up. I'll ask you one more. For that, I'll have to rub the board. For that, I'll have to rub the board. Okay, no need to rub the board, we'll write it here only. Second, 4/3. Now 4/3 मतलब आंसर इज 1 से बड़ा कि 1 से छोटा? 4/3 आंसर इज 1 से बड़ा कि 1 से छोटा? सर 1 से बड़ा. सर 1 से बड़ा. ग्रेट. 4/3 is 1 से बड़ा. What is the decimal? Bigger than 1. What is the mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is 4/3 का मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इज 1/3. ओहो, तो कितने पार्ट्स करने के हैं? सी द डिनोमिनेटर. सी द डिनोमिनेटर. कितने पार्ट्स करने हैं? 3 पार्ट्स करने हैं, वो भी 1 के बाद फर्स्ट पार्ट. टोटली 3 पार्ट्स करने हैं. लेट अस डू दोस 3 पार्ट्स. 0 के बाद 1 2 एंड 1 आया, उसके बाद 1 2 एंड 2 आया. करेक्ट है. फर्स्ट हो गया 1/3. 1/3 मतलब ये, तो ये है 4/3. डू यू एग्री? डू यू एग्री? नाउ यू प्लीज आस्क डाउट. नाउ यू प्लीज आस्क डाउट इफ यू हैव. नाउ यू प्लीज आस्क डाउट इफ यू हैव. Anybody just leave me a text, sir, a doubt. I will take him or her. Just leave me a text, sir, doubt. I will take him or her. I am waiting from your end. I am waiting from your end to make a small comment. Yes, no doubt, then go ahead. No doubt, then we will go ahead. Great. No doubt. Then I want you to plot one now. I want you to plot one now. I want you to plot one. अगर नेगेटिव आया ना तो इस साइड चले जाना. दिमाग, कॉमन सेंस यूज करना. कॉमन सेंस यूज करना. अगर नेगेटिव आया, शिफ्ट ऑन दिस साइड. डोंट गो दिस साइड. यूज दैट मच भगवान का दिया हुआ कॉमन सेंस. नाउ यू टेल मी what will this come? Third one, -13/5. First you tell me how many parts between 0 and 1? How many parts between 0 and 1 will come? How many parts will come between 0 and 1? 5 parts. Because denominator is 5. Because denominator is 5. Now you have 13. 13/5 का mixed fraction. That too negative. Negative. 13/5 का mixed fraction I want. 13/5 का मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन आई वांट. (23/5) करेक्ट. 23 नहीं, he means to say that 2/3/5. मतलब आंसर इज बिटवीन whom and whom? 2/3/5 यानी आंसर इज बिटवीन whom and whom? आंसर इज बिटवीन whom and whom? कम ऑन टेल मी, आंसर इज बिटवीन किसके बीच में? सर 2 और 3 के बीच में. सर 2 और 3 के बीच में. आंसर इज बिटवीन 2 and 3, वो भी नेगेटिव वाला. सर ये 0 लो, ये 1 2 3 4 5, फिफ्थ पार्ट -1 डाल. 1 2 3 4 5. सर -2 डाल. 1 2 3 4 5. सर -3 डाल. इस तरफ जा, नेगेटिव. अब 2 गया, -2 -2. 3/5 पेंडिंग है. 3/5 मतलब थर्ड पार्ट. पहला पार्ट, दूसरा पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. दिस इज -13/5. तुझे गया नहीं गया? कैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है? लास्ट कल कोई एक लड़की मेरे को मैसेज करके बोल रही थी, सर मुझे नंबर लाइन बहुत डिफिकल्ट जाता है सर. अब तेरा कमेंट क्या है? अभी भी नंबर लाइन डिफिकल्ट जाता है कि अभी इजी है? क्लियर है टू ऑल? Yes, I will go with the last sum for this number line. Then I shall rub the board and I shall leave it up to you. Last thing, For the last time, 7 by 3. Plot. 1 minute I will give you. Then we will enter into new world. Then I will start something new now. After this I will start something new. 1 minute to plot. Then sir will do. Then sir will rub the board. And then I want you to go ahead. Then we shall go ahead. Then I will teach you something called as absolute value. I will teach something called as absolute value. Then we shall end the class after teaching absolute value. Then we shall go later in the coming classes with closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity inverse, additive inverse, inverse multiplicative identity, and additive identity, additive inverse. These all concepts we will do, and then that will wrap off my rational numbers. Okay, so I hope yesterday's class, whatever you attended, you remember all, because that is important for us. Okay, now I shall plot the number, and then we shall go ahead with a new concept of absolute numbers. Then we shall go with a new concept of absolute numbers. Chalo, we'll just plot here. 7 by 3 was 2 1/3. You get 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So you have to make 3 tukdas 0, 1 2, and this is 1, 1 2, and this is 2, 1 2, and this is 3. Second 1/3 मतलब here. This is 7 by 3. Then clear? Okay, everybody got the same answer? हर बच्चा got the same answer, yes or no? हर बच्चा got the same answer, yes or no? हाँ, done. Great.